And welcome back to the Northridge 4x4 Do-It-Yourself Garage. And today we've got a JK in the studio. And well, that's exciting because we haven't had a JK in the studio in a long time. And today we're going to talk about what our favorite headlight upgrade for the JK is. And that's the J3 headlight from JW Speaker. Now, JW Speaker has long been the gold standard for high-performance LED headlight upgrades for the JK. And we've sold a ton of the J2 and J3 models over the years. And that's because they just work, and they work very well. They put out bright and clear lighting that light up the road. They don't have any weird beam cutoff patterns, and they definitely do not have any of that light flickering that is so common on the cheaper LED upgrade headlights when you put them in a JK. Now, one of the things we really like about these J3 headlights is, well, you gotta look at the whole grille to see it. If you notice, we no longer have the factory turn indicators. And that's because JW Speaker integrates the turn signal right in the center of the headlight. And they're much brighter and much more noticeable than the factory units. When you hit your turn signal switch, oncoming traffic can really see it. Now, as a bonus, that opens up the factory turn indicator location. And JW Speaker does have a bolt-in bracket that allows you to install their Trail 6 off-road lights right in where the factory turn indicator was. And it's bolt-in, there's no cutting, no trimming, it's gonna go right in. And these Trail 6 lights, they're very small, very compact, and very bright. And depending on the model you get, you can adjust the beam pattern. You can adjust the beam intensity or how bright that beam is. You can even toggle between white and amber lights. And because they're so useful, you can put them almost anywhere on the Jeep that you need extra light. One of our favorite places is just to replace the factory fog lights. Now, one of the neat things about that adjustable beam is you can run them as an amber light in inclement weather for that fog. You can run them as white for a driving light. And all of this is adjustable right on your phone using the JW Speaker J-Link app that's free for your Android or Apple phone. You can control the Trail 6 lights with that app. You can control the J3 headlights with that app. Yeah. The headlights are even controllable with the app. They have an off-road mode that when you toggle that on, it's gonna turn on all 35 LEDs in that headlight. It's gonna really light things up. Speaking of light, I mean, we've only got 6 lights on the front of this vehicle. That's 2 headlights and 4 of the Trail 6s. And when we turn them all on, this really lights everything up. You may find that you don't need any more light on the front of your Jeep. Now, the next question you might have is, how hard is it to install these? We're gonna show you that right now. Start by removing the 6 plastic push pins holding the grille in place. Now we grab our top, we're gonna pry it out a little bit, and then there's a clip right here, and you just wanna grab them, and then more clips right along the front. Just give it a quick yank. Then we have our turn indicators. You just give those a twist. We want a T15 Torx, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. So then you got this lock, and let's just go ahead and push that out of the way. Press down on the tab, and out comes your headlight. We want to grab our turn indicator socket and bulb, and let's go ahead and unlock it and unplug that bulb. And then we're going to route it back in behind. Okay, now we have the harness that comes with those JW Speaker lights. And one is the turn indicator plug. Lock it. And the other is for the headlight. And lock it. All right, we've got our new headlight, and then we're gonna put that factory bezel right on it. And we'll plug the harness into the back of the headlight. Now, sometimes you'll notice when you put your headlights in, they're gonna be tight going in. And there's a couple spots where these little nubs are here. They're gonna go into these pockets and they're really tight, so I'll trim out those pockets a little bit. But the bigger problem is this ring right here. It's almost a perfect fit for the factory opening here. So we wanna open that up a little bit, and I'll even take these two little nubs down. Now you don't need anything fancy. I've just got a flap wheel here in a drill on high speed. There we go. It's still snug, but not overly tight. Connect the turn indicator plug and then the headlight plug. Make sure the headlight bezel is in the correct orientation and reinstall the 4 screws. Reinstall the grille, and that's it, you're done. However, for those of you who want to add the optional Trail 6 lights, this is how you do it. First, you want to choose which style lens you need to run, and that's going to be your beam pattern. So JWS includes clear lenses and dispersed lenses. That clear lens is going to be more like a spotlight, where that dispersed lens is going to spread that out and give you a wider beam pattern. So first you're going to put the lens cover down, then that plastic bezel, and then 6 screws. So the factory indicator housing has these little clips with tangs. You're just going to push the tang in, and out comes that housing. Now the Trail 6 normally comes with a U-shaped bracket. For this application, we want to make sure we get the Jeep specific bracket. And that's going to slip right into this pocket. And then you have the mounting tab, and they are side specific, whether it's right hand or left hand. And you'll make sure those little tangs go down through the plastic and into the metal. We want a little bit of play in that bracket. Now we can bring our light in from underneath, but before we do, make sure you plug in your wiring harness. And that just pushes in. Now we can tighten up our back bolt and then the side bolts. Now for the wiring, the Trail 6 lights come with a wiring pigtail, and all we did was splice that into a universal lighting harness. We hooked that harness up to the battery and then ran the switch into the dash. And you want to make sure you have a minimum of a 10 amp circuit. Now our grill's ready to go back in. To unlock the full feature of these lights, download the free JW Speaker J-Link app and create a profile. You can then create a vehicle profile and you can group the lights together. Now selecting the off-road mode, you can choose between 2 different beam patterns. They have the punch pattern and the spread pattern. In addition, you can toggle the side optic on or off. And then for those crazy beach raves or late nights out on the trail, you can toggle between 4 different party modes. Switching over to the Trail 6 Pros, you have the option to either run them as an amber or a white light, and then you have a brightness adjustment bar that you can change the brightness from 0 to 100. Now another thing we really like about JW Speaker headlights is they're offered both in a heated and a non-heated model. And JW Speaker's SmartHeat heating system is very advanced. It's got a thermally conductive grid system, and that's going to de-ice the lens up to twice as fast as any other light out there on the market. And this is an intelligent system. It reacts to the temperature changes on a real-time basis. There's nothing you need to do by the driver. Now, if you live in an area that never sees freezing temps, then those non-heated models, they're gonna be just perfect for you. So there you have our favorite headlight upgrade for the Jeep JK. You get clear, bright light. It's a plug-and install and there's no flickering. And then those built-in turn indicators and the ability to add the Trail 6 lights, and you can control it all with that phone app. Well, there's no wonder why we like these so much. So if you're ready to upgrade the headlights on your JK, well, hit those links down in the description box below and get a set on their way to you. And then hit up that comment section while you're down there. Let us know, what do you think of the J3 headlights and those Trail 6 add-ons? Thanks for watching today. We'll see you again soon.